Hey guys, mina angazi ukuthi nina wabe nihlele emakini khona manje sodla ama-100,000 nina nihlele lapha endlini nizange nazobukela igame. Hey, please introduce yourself to our viewers with your name, your surname.
Mina, my name is Njabulo. My surname is Chabalala.
Okay. So Njabulo, tell us about football journey yakho. What made you choose ukuthi udlale ibhola, and in a short space qala ukuthi ungenzela i-pyramid yama-team okhe wadlalela up until now.
Actually mina into engiyenza ukuthi ngidlale ibhola ne. Obviously sikhulele eKasi, and then which is eKasi into besiyenza vele seseyintwana into ebeyikhona ibhola. So into engiyenza ukuthi ngidlale ibhola, and which is ngabona ukuthi ngiyalazi ibhola, so I ended up ngiyofuna i-team ngiseseyintwana. So from there vele until now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So pyramid yama-teams okhe wadlalela until now.
Ngikhuliswe yi-Ace Auto Ayoba Mayoyo, and then from Mayoyo and then ngaya ku All Stars, then All Stars yathengwa waba isikhukhune, and then ngadlalela vele same team ethengiwe vele. Yeah, from there ngaya ku Vetsi, ngaya ku Kruger United. Yeah, so we win i-league nge-Kruger United. Yeah. Okay. So as a captain, tell us about performance at Team Yako today. How did you find the overall performance at Team Yako and your performance as an individual? First is I biskatel, especially final. Yo, I biskatel inyawo like bezinda yo too much, but I'm happy because of mentality I'm a player. And now ne strong too much. So like I'm happy for my cheetah. Now I'm happy for me noguthi azange like noma ngine injury azange like ngicabanga ukuthi azinthing phume because ngalento ukuthi makungaphuma mina ngizocost i-team yabo leyo nto leyo sure yeah.
Okay, all right. So is style of play yakho in 2 words, how would you describe it?
Mina like I'm simple with it, ngidlala to touch.
Okay.
To touch long ball, I'm strong ngayo vele actually. Yeah.
So sekuthiwa you retire from football, how would you like to be remembered?
As a lion in football. Yeah, as a lion in football and as a winner in football, yeah.
Okay. So i-win le namhlanje, what does it mean to i-team?
It means a lot, too much, because obviously it's funny mal song. Besizopanda la nathi nenkinga zethu. So obviously izo like izonceda inkinga zethu mfethu esinazo, so yeah.
Okay. So ku-PSL, please name your 3 best players.
Tebogo Mokoena.
Okay.
Andile Charlie.
Okay.
And then Sipombolo.
Alright. So kule 3 leon we mentioning le ne, start 1, sell 1 and bench 1.
Anga start Mokoena.
Okay.
Ngipenje because of my vele seka retire.
Okay.
Ngabencha okay Tingbon. Ngabencha Master Chef cause usadlala, and then ngathingisa Andile Jan. Yeah.
Alright, okay. No. Before we close it off, go sharing your word of the day, Nyana.
Okay, Tingabang.
Alright.
Kuye yonke into ozoyenza life in focus on it.
Okay. No, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Sharp.